Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog and welcome to Wales. Today I'm here in Wales because I have a random 4 days off. Wala lang, bored lang ako so I need to go out. But since nagtitipid ako because I have a lot of travels this year, so I just chose to go somewhere local na hindi ako masyadong makakagastos. That's why I'm here in Wales to do the Four Waterfalls walk. Given the name, apparently we're gonna see 4 waterfalls. Then yung pinaka last one ang highlight. I won't even try to pronounce the names of the falls because we're in Wales. I don't want to ruin it. Ito din yung car park. So it's £6 all day. Card only. So yan yung itinerary natin today. Kanina umulan but now parang umaaraw na. Thankfully, I have my Surreal because this place will be surreal. Oh, update nga pala guys. Kung may 18 na nanonood dito, share ko lang. I am attending the kick-off in PH Arena. Alam mo, struggle na struggle kasi nakabook na ako ng everything. Sabi ko, kung PH Arena, malaki ang chance. They also announced the date very early. I was able to book annual leave in advance. Then it was granted. So sabi ko, baka ano na to. This is it. But then, nung nagbilihan na ng ticket, I was on queue 60 plus. Then ang capacity is 55. I was like, oh no, goodbye na. Pero thankfully, may 18 from PH na nag-message akin na gusto ko pa daw magpabili kasi nasa unahan siya. So yeah, going to PH, come on. So see you when I see you guys kung pupunta kayo. And also, I'm going to North America as well kasi yun yung pinaka-sure. Nagsabay-sabay pa yung ticket sailing. So in North America, I'm gonna attend SF, LA, and Toronto. Then I'll be spending 2 weeks there. See you in SB19 concerts and first time pa din sa LA and SF. So looking forward back to now. Kaya nagtitipid tayo. Walk-walk na lang tayo. Which is win-win naman kasi nature. Tipid. Sabi nga ni Justin, maglakad-lakad daw din tayo. Hindi lang tayo cellphone ng cellphone and that's what I'm doing now. The first waterfall. waterfall. As you can see, the Surreal jacket is off because it's getting warm now. The third waterfall. Going down is not bad, but going up, hingal. Then now, I'm here just before the fourth one, but there's long stairs again. So I'm still resting before I go down. Yeah, but I think this is the highlight. Okay, going back now from the last waterfall. It was so surreal, very nice and magical. It's amazing that you can go like behind the waterfalls. But you know what's so real now is going back up because there's a lot of stairs. Minisip ko palang pagod na ako. Anyways, one step at a time. Yeah, see you at the top. Hopefully I survive. It's gonna be a long walk up. Also, ang nakakainis, hindi ako nabili ng so I can't even enjoy the view with my like lunch or something. Kasalanan ko to kasi I didn't prepare. But it would have been nice to look at the falls while eating my lunch. But instead, wala. If punta kayo dito, dala kayo pagkain. Don't be like me. So I'm just in the services somewhere because gutom na ako. This is my first meal for today, and also I need to top up my petrol. Yeah, earlier I really enjoyed it. It's a nice day trip and also the weather is sunny. You can actually swim into the waterfalls. The first falls, I arrived there quite quick, so it's like easy. The second one is not too bad as well. The third one, it started to be a bit challenging because you need to go down. Then after you reach the falls, you need to go back up. Nakakapagod. Then the last one, yun yung may mga maraming stairs. Yun yung pinakamaganda for me personally. Siya yung pinakamalaki. It's amazing that you can go around the falls. Dito yan sa Wales. So it's quite of a drive, but it's all worth it. If you happen to go to Wales and you're looking for a nice hike, I suggest Four Waterfalls walk. I think that's it. See you on my next adventure. I don't know where or when. It might be fangirling stuff, it might be traveling stuff, but see you when I see you. Bye.